Now we floss. That's long enough. Bruh. Alright. Open. Open. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay.
It's so
Switch over. All these intricate hand movements, I can't trust or depend on them. A child to do that. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Open. No, I am not going to play some music over this. Such good love. Bruh. This is what it takes to have your children have a good kid. Not actually hard, but actually hard. Man, oh my gosh, if I had my children every single day, they wouldn't have anything. So, blessing to those who have their children every day. Don't have like we used to do back in the day, we called it pray and swipe. Like, I think we got enough money. Alright, open and pray. Alright, you ain't that bad. We good. Since the last I seen you. Do what you can. Such is life. Oh, baby. Okay. Good. Done. Bonus round.
Beep.
We have to ensure every spot. Not even includes behind the leg. Okay, please put your hands down. Open. Please shut. Shush. Bonus round. Now we floss. That's about right. Open. Please put that down again. It's your baby. Oh. Okay. Done. Morning brush. Okay. Excuse me. Please put that down. Please put that down. Please put that down. Open. I said put that down. Thank you. Every day. Twice a day. For 2 minutes. Okay, close. Close, close. There you go. Close, 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 close. Thank you. This is not fun. This is not easy. Close a little, like close a little, like that. Just a bit.
Let's see.
Close. Close a little right there. Good job.